Good morning. I don't want to be a fair weather rider, however, because I'm still uncomfortable riding on wet roads and I know I have to get used to it. I wasn't going to ride today, but the rain held off until I got on the bike, and now it's starting to sprinkle. Back to what I was doing. I'm heading to a dirt road here. What I've done before, but I'm going the opposite way. So I am going to be trying to climb it. I don't exactly have dirt tires. My tires are 70/30. One thing I'm noticing is I'm really hanging on these bars. Like, I feel like maybe I need risers. Like, I'm really hanging on to these bars. Like, it's certainly hope nobody comes ripping around any of these corners. There's still some snow in the trees here. Well, I can definitely feel the temperature change. I sure have come up a lot in elevation. You can see the snow on the ground. But what a pleasure this is riding with no traffic. Boy, it's windy up top here. Wow, this one's really wet. That looks slick. Whoa, wow, that's really slipping underneath me. Wow, this road, you can see how it's got some potholes, but it's fairly smooth. But man, the bike is just slipping underneath me like crazy, and I know I have to just let the bike go, not fight it. Wow, it's like ice. Oh, there is a bit of ice. Oh, I see. There's still snow on the ground, but I wasn't expecting any ice. I wonder if I should probably be turning around here. Got to be gentle on the throttle, I think, and hopefully it doesn't get too steep. I just wonder how much further this is going to be like this. Alright, well, I think I'm going to have to turn around. Oh man, I was hoping to go all the way through. I don't want to turn around to mention that, but I've got to go down some of the icy spots. Now I think I have to turn around. Now this is going to be an interesting thing, turning around here. Turn. Around without dropping the bike. Oh, that's slippery. We're dropping the bike over an edge. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be gentle on the brakes here. Definitely more difficult going down than it is coming up. Well, so it's funny for me as a beginner rider on my dual sport, how many new things I experience in the rain. Wet gravel, snow, ice. I think that today was my steepest climb going up. Okay, well, I think I'm going to stop the video here because I think I'm going to take off my camera because it's not waterproof with the mic input in there. I don't want to ruin my camera. So if you've watched my little adventure so far, thank you for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.